Spotify Wrapped is back for 2022. Want to know how to see yours? I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to see and share your Spotify Wrapped Roundup for 2022. Now let's get started. To see your Spotify Wrapped summary for 2022, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Then tap Your 2022 Wrapped is here. If you don't see it, check the Search tab and a link should appear there as well. A vertical video structured like a social media story will pop up on your screen, and you'll start to be shown an overview of your listening history on Spotify for the year, including your most listened to genres, what you listen to at different times of the day, how many minutes you listen to Spotify, your most played song, your top 5 songs, and then your top songs of 2022 playlist. Tap Add to Library to save the playlist. You'll then see your top artists for the year and how many minutes you spent listening to them, as well as your top 5 artists. This year's unique Wrapped feature is your music listening personality. Mine is the Voyager, but yours will be different based on your own listening habits. At the end of your overview, you'll see one summarized story you can share on your social media showing your top artists, songs, minutes listened, and your top genre. There are 4 different color schemes to choose from. Tap Share to share it to your Instagram story, Facebook story, Snapchat, Twitter, and more. You can also download the image if you just want to save it to your device. To watch your Wrapped overview again, tap Replay from Beginning. You can also tap on the left or right side of your screen to skip to a specific slide. Share any slide to your social media by tapping Share This Story at the bottom. Once you've watched your Wrapped overview for 2022, you'll see this menu labeled Your 2022 in Review. Here you can watch your Wrapped playback again, your Top Songs 2022 playlist, your artist messages, which will have video messages from your top artists of the year, as well as your missed hits, which will show you tracks that were popular on Spotify that you haven't listened to. You'll also find mixes with songs from your top 5 genres. Once this menu goes away, you can still find your Top Songs 2022 playlist in your Spotify library. That's all it takes to view and share your Spotify Wrapped breakdown for 2022. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.